Ejuke.
Ejike.
Ejuke.
Ejike. Ejike. You marry Igbo man. Which of the Ejuke?
Ejuke.
Ejike.
So you want shop?
I don't want shop. I want job.
I'm not hearing you.
I wish you the same.
That time, where they fight for sides.
You say?
Ejuke, you know, so now man I like to be fight with. Now man I like to be beat. Why they beat those men for sides?
Nah, that's in. I don't know why you are in English they call it. That's in outside. That's not the outside.
Nah, outside.
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 When you come marry me for Benin, man, you don't be outside you stay. When you dey outside, when my papa tell you say go inside. Come sit down. Why you not correcting? Because you start see fine girl when you want pluck. You not correct it. Fine girl don't get your ass now. You want to correct me. Ejuke, I be Benin girl. Now sides. Sides. Now something they call them. And they beat those men for sides.